Hello, all the IEI May 2025 students. So, only 1 month is remaining for your exam. What you need to do in this last 1 month? From the past exams that we have seen, specifically for CM, CS, CB papers, since it's 100% MCQ based paper A, so, what do you need to practice? You need to practice all the past papers, paper A of IA. Now, since it is subjective, so you might not be able to relate it, so you can just quickly solve it, get the answer. The answer is very important now because you just get the marks for final answer. We have uploaded multiple MCQs on our platform, on our LMS. So, all our students are requested to practice all the MCQs from the platform. This is the first thing. Second thing, paper B is one of the hindrances in CM and CS papers. This term, I saw that people who were not able to clear their exam scored 27, 26 around in paper B, and the cutoff was 30. They scored really good marks in paper A, but because of paper B, they were not able to clear their exam. So it's very important that you practice paper B. Practice all the past paper B of IA. Sit with it for 1 hour 50 minutes. Appear for it as a mock exam. Once you are done with IA past papers, you can also solve IFOA past papers. You must solve all the IA past papers at least twice. This is for paper B. It will help you to be more confident in your exam and to understand that what are the areas in which you have to focus more. Apart from these, you have to also solve X assignments, which is also very, very important. It helps you build your concepts, and also all the question and answers which are there in the material. Along with all of these, please go through the class notes which we have given you. It is very important. You can go through chapter summaries. This is all that you have to do in the last 1 month. Please don't overburden yourself. Don't do anything new. Don't talk to friends so much. Just set your targets and try to meet all the targets day by day. Right? If you have any further questions, you can let us know in the comments. Thank you. All the very best.